are you guys? I hope everything is okay. So, it's midnight here in Israel, maybe a little bit after midnight. And the operation is Gaza is continuing. And you're probably gonna hear tomorrow in news about everything that happened tonight. And we're moving forward and forward. But I have one request, guys. We need your tefillot. Listen, it wasn't easy for me to leave everything and coming here, but this is our obligation. It's a milchemet mitzvah on Eretz Israel. But nothing can happen without the tefillot, guys. We need your help, we need your tefillot. Please make sure to support the minyan. And if you're not coming to minyan, daven by yourself, but like invest in the tefillah. Don't use your phone. Don't, like, if you daven, just daven. Speak to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu to save all the soldiers here, because we're really gonna need it. Everything is ready. This is the tanks over here. It's a long preparation just to go and like save Eretz Israel, that all of you have a place to come and make aliyah, or maybe just come to visit. But nothing will happen without your tefillot. So please, guys, we need your tefillot. I miss you very much, and hopefully I'm gonna come back soon. Thank you, guys. Good night.